This is a Model 20 Teletype machine. It's an unusual machine as far as teletypes go because it's a 6th level machine. Most of the teletype machines printed in Bordeaux using 5-bit codes, which mean you only had uppercase. But this particular model was developed mostly for the wire services, Associated Press and UPI, so that they could transmit newspaper articles to newspapers with upper and lower case. And they'd frequently have a tape punch associated with them that could punch out paper tape that they could be feed into the typesetting machines. So let's flip this on and take a look at how it works. So let's let it go here, and then we'll zoom in and look a little closer.